is going to be much more better take home because I want to hear the motor.
GA.
You don't mind if I take for one more ride? Check this out. It's got the bumper. And I actually fixed up the door operator now since I last came here.
Seems to work well. Takes its time closing.
This has got to be top-driven traction. Now don't press any buttons yet because I want it to first close the door, then start the motor up.
All right, you let the motor start.
Oh, now it's doing that door
Just
disease.
let it do its thing. Just don't press anything.
There's your Southern logo right there.
Door closed now.
Here we go.
Well, that is a neat elevator.
I think I want to get some pictures of this after we're done.
That's fine.
So with that being said, there it goes, and that's it.